Thank you, kitty cat. I forgot what that cat's name was, but it was super cute. I almost brought her home to live with me, but my client still wanted it, which I'm glad they kept it. Weird facts. That's how this my business has ran, as me connecting with your animals. Anyways, I keep trying to take this serious and I can't, so I'm just gonna joke around with it. I scrub the deck, as you see with the power washer. It's super satisfying, and then I do some extra things that you'll see in the video. Hire me. I'm just gonna shamelessly plug me. If you're looking for something like this in the Lansing area, please hit me up. I'll put my email in the description along with a little journal I put in there. Reasons why I'm doing this, but enjoy. Alright, what's up? Back here. Lovely day. Deck is all dry. Got the sander. Got some sanding paper. Got the GoPro. Gonna set up a time lapse and just go. Alright. Okay, so that is 60 grit on this deck. I chose 60 grit because the wood was already in pretty good condition, and as you saw at the beginning of the video, most of the finish was brought up by the power washer. So this is to smooth things out, pick up any of the bigger things of finish that was like sunk down into the ground. As you can see right here, this was like one of the most protected spots because the grill was sitting on it, so it looks a little different because of how it weathered, but everything should be fine. That's just how wood is. Each deck board, each grain, each knot is so different. But yeah, I'm gonna put 100 grit on it. This is what it looks like. The bottom of this machine, like on the edges, since it's a rental, the main pad is a little scuffed up. So with all the weight pressing down, there's unevenness around the edges, but that's fine because it's working way better than hand sanding all this. I've done that before on a deck that was like just as big, if not a little bigger, plus there was like beams going up and a whole ceiling. It sucked, but it turned out really good, and that's why I rented this, because I learned from my mistakes. But all right, 100,